Welcome to another CAAN tip, where we deliver fencing tips in under 120 seconds. Thinking about installing a fence or wondering why proper installation matters? You're in the right place. Today, we'll cover why a well-installed fence is so important. Structural integrity is key. A well-installed fence withstands strong winds, rain, and snow. Poor installation leads to leaning or collapse, while a properly built fence ensures durability and reliable protection for years. Security is another key benefit. Properly installed fence doesn't just define boundaries, it protects. It keeps intruders out and pets or children safely inside. Proper height and locking mechanisms are essential to ensuring maximum security, whether for your yard or commercial property. Aesthetic appeal is another factor. The straight, well-aligned fence enhances curb appeal and property value. The right materials and installation can turn your home into a standout in the neighborhood, combining beauty with functionality. Compliance with local regulations is also crucial. Incorrect installation can violate local codes or encroach on a neighbor's property. Following the rules avoids fines and legal issues, ensuring your fence stays within proper boundaries. Finally, proper installation reduces maintenance. A well-installed fence is less likely to warp, sag, or rust, meaning fewer repairs and less upkeep. With the right materials and techniques, you'll spend more time enjoying your yard and less time maintaining it. At the end of the day, a well-installed fence offers peace of mind. Whether it's for security, aesthetics, or marking your boundary, getting it right from the start ensures long-term benefits with fewer hassles. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe for more CAAN tips. Explore our playlist for more, and reach out to us for expert help. See you next time.